I'm Tookie with Red Hot Homes, and I would like to show you 4402 Smoak Pond, and this is in the Cross Creek Plantation. Come on in. One of the main things that I want to point out in this house are beautiful wood floors throughout the house. When you walk in the front door, family size dining room. Enjoy the large windows as you sit and eat with your family. And now we're going to go into the living room. This house is filled with large rooms. High ceilings. You have a gas fireplace, and by the way, it's heated with gas pack, so that's quite energy efficient. Take a minute, take in that view. We're on the second hole of the Cross Creek Plantation golf course. Let's walk into the breakfast room. Oversized. Again, right here next to all these beautiful windows, so while you're eating breakfast, you can enjoy the view. From here we come into the kitchen. Again, great size, plenty of counter space. Lots and lots of cabinets, drawers. Take a look at the stove, it's gorgeous. 5-burner gas stove. With the exception of one, they're all Whirlpool appliances. And again, lots of built-ins. Coming through this way, you come into the hallway that leads to the master bedroom. First, we're going to see the laundry room. You've got a sink in there, and it comes right off of the garage, 2-car garage. And coming back this way, I'm going to take you to the master bedroom. These beautiful wooden floors continue right into the master bedroom. Again, you can wake up to that view of the golf course. Oversized room, plenty of room for a king bed. As many dressers as you could want to fit in here. Take a look at this closet. Bedroom is the master bathroom. Shower in the corner. Plenty of storage in this room. So let's go see the rest of the house. This is all one floor living, master on main, lovely large rooms. Cross Creek Plantation is a great gated location as well. In here we have the only room in the house that has carpet, and it's actually in very good condition. Large secondary bedroom here. These 2 bedrooms are separated by this bathroom, shower tub combination. Then you walk into the other bedroom / office / whatever you really want it to be. Plenty of closet space. This can be closed in. it's got French doors, so it can be closed off. All-weather sunroom. Beautiful views out of every window. It's a great tile floor, easy to maintain. It has an entrance off in the back patio. So thanks for touring 4402 Smoak Pond in the Cross Creek Plantation neighborhood. 22 square feet, all one floor living, and you can enjoy this view every morning. Call us for pricing. Thanks.